So we're taking out the little pit bike for a rip today. I come up on this road and I see a little blue car, Yamaha blue. I'm like, alright, we gotta catch him. Hit the PW, 80 cc's. This thing's not pulling anything on this blue right here. Yeah, so I got it third wide right here, going on a 55 mph. I don't think we're even close to that. Right here, you're gonna see it starts bogging out, and I'm like, what the heck? What's going on? And I realized that I didn't put any gas in this thing. Haven't put gas in it in probably 2 or 3 weeks. I switch it to reserve, full throttle, get her back on. Right here, I skirt into that turn because I see a car coming the other way, and I don't want to smoke. What are you gonna do about it? Alright, my wheelies on this thing suck, I know, but alright, first off, first gear isn't tall enough, so I literally get it up in the air and I'm already max RPM bouncing it off the red one there, so it's kind of difficult. And the brakes suck on this thing, so I'm getting backwards and it's like I hit the brakes and nothing happens, and you don't really want to stay back too much longer. Alright, so now we're about to rip around the secret track for a quick minute. Me and my buddy been working on this for a while. We're trying to get a skid steer in here so we can make some nice berms, big jumps. Right here it was wicked wet, so I stayed off the edge because, you know, nice jeans are on. I got the lawnmower buried in there the other day and it took about 30 minutes to get it out. So right here when we're on the big bikes, you hit that, jump right there, we made the shovels, land on this flat, lose it right there. This is a new section of the track that we didn't have before, so this berm's gotta get fixed.
You guys want to see me hit
And
that
right here's
thing?
the jump.
Leave a link down below. Ronnie right there. Ronnie Madden.
It's mint.
Oh,
Last weekend, we hit that with the big bikes. I hit it to flat because we didn't feel like building a landing yet. And my head slams into my bars, and my wrist disappeared. It was so high. It's like, I think 5 feet tall. We really just built it. It's like 5 feet tall. Then you gotta add how much more? 4 feet for the bike. And your head's like, what, 15 feet in the air. This part's a new trail too. That's why we gotta get the skid steer. That's all full of roots, rocks and stuff. This part isn't bad right here. Just gets close to those trees. You always think you're gonna whack your head.
Oh. I just got mud all over my good school clothes.
Here's another look at the new jump we built. I just finished painting it, so we got a tarp on it so it doesn't get all rainy and wet. Yeah, but that thing is huge. If you guys want to see us send in that thing, let us know. I mean, look at it. And look at the landing we're landing. Literally a foot tall, foot wide. You can't even land a bike on that thing if you want. And all of our corners, we don't do berms. Berms, losers. We got absolute ruts in every single corner. It's a mint track. I don't know what to say about it, but whatever.
So butt. When we got the big 250s out, hit that line right there, pin it up there. That's where I got the lawnmower stuff like yesterday.
full wheelie up the hill to see what the P-Dubs got. And I hear something behind me, I look, not paying attention, just run right into this person. Look how clutch that was. I thought I was gonna just die in that little small bush, but here's one of the hill climbs on the track. You come around by this cornfield, rip up that hill. Coming up on the OG corner of the track. This thing's been here since day one. Those ruts are deep, but GoPros, they're like, what's depth perception, you know guys? What's that? Alright, so we're hitting that. Pulling up on this hill climb. This thing's gotta get smoothed out. We'll get there eventually. We tried with pickaxes and shovels one day, but we worked on it for 2 hours, got like nothing done. We gave up on that. This part of the track gets a little sloppy sometimes, but today it wasn't that bad. Alright, so I see this car pulling out, and I'm like, yeah, we're chasing that thing. I look both ways before I pull out into this intersection, but I got the chest mount on, so of course you're not going to see that. And I said we're gaining on her, heading into the 30-mile-an-hour zone. Fun little story. On this hill there used to be one of those speed limit signs that told you how fast you're going. And so I used to get the PW going in 3rd gear, and we get up to 45 easily down this hill right here. So those of you wondering, PW top speed, probably 45. Right here I don't see a bump, coming in hot, get a little wobbly, almost smoked that pole. I think that's the end of the video guys. Thanks for watching.